that thing out of Snowstorm, man.
Alright, so we just got this order for $31, 18 miles. Absolute fucking banger. So we're gonna take that. And then we actually just got to the place. So, bro, they just want a battery. So we're just gonna go and get them a battery. I've never been to the actual store for a battery. I didn't even know that they had batteries. So let's go check it out. I think it should be somewhere back here. Pretty sure.
I thought it was this one, so let me just get this one.
Bro, so it's fucking windy as hell, dog. We're off to drop this off. We are pulling up to drop off this battery. Maybe on the left, it should be... Oh, this guy right here. Hello.
Keep that thing out of Snowstorm, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna try. Have a good one. Very, very nice guy. Very, very nice guy. To keep it out of the snow. Boom. 31.
Keep that thing out of Snowstorm,